All right, YouTube Jura coffee maker fans. I had a lower piston on my Jura machine come apart. The gear peg came apart from the piston cap. And I tried to epoxy it back I epoxied it back together, but my epoxy joint failed. I don't remember what kind of epoxy I used, but it didn't work. It came apart. So I'm going to try this product. I'm pretty sure this is ABS. And this JB Weld product says it's for ABS. So I'm going to glue this thing back together with this product and we'll see if it sticks. I'll probably test it by running it through a really hot dishwasher. Maybe that'll somewhat emulate a hot coffee cycle. I'm not going to tear apart one of my Jura machines just to put this piston back in it right now. But we'll glue it up together and see what happens. All right, we'll let that sit up, see how it works. All right, here's the piston glued back together with the special plastic ABS epoxy glue. You can see the shiny joint there. It's good and tight. I've wiggled it before. Feels tight. I'm going to run it through the dishwasher. The dishwasher runs really hot, and see if that heat has any effect on that joint. And if it doesn't, the next time I take one of my Juras apart to do a brew group overhaul, I'll swap this piston in and we'll see how it works. Okay, I ran this thing through a really hot dishwasher cycle, and near as I can tell, just by putting some pretty good force on that, it's tight. So time will tell if it'll hold up through repeated brew cycles, but after one super hot dishwasher cycle in a Miele dishwasher, that thing is tight, using that JB Weld product that I showed in the previous clip.